Today, I'm excited to guide you through a live end-to-end demonstration of the Connect Industrial Cloud Platform. We'll explore how Connect delivers transformative value through three integrated pillars: visualization services, data services, and advanced analytics. And we'll be presenting a showcase of finished, production-ready examples that demonstrate how Connect empowers industrial organizations to unlock insights, drive efficiency, and scale innovation. Let's start with an example end result with Connect Visualization Services. What you're seeing now are live dashboards built using Aviva's Canvas and Grid technologies, designed for intuitive drag-and-drop creation of rich, interactive visualizations in mere minutes, not hours or days. These dashboards are cross-platform, accessible via a web browser on desktop, tablet, or mobile devices, and support role-based access control, ensuring that the right users see the right data in the right format at the right time, so they can apply their industry expertise to the data and arrive at discoveries that can reduce risk, reduce costs, and increase revenue. In a second display mode, here's an enterprise-wide overview dashboard showing real-time KPIs across power generation, maintenance, and revenue. Connect Visualization Services supports dashboards, enterprise-scale visualizations, role and process-specific displays, and asset-specific visualizations, which combine engineering information and metadata with live operational data, forming a true digital twin. And you can see essential real-time KPIs and data streams in combination with related documentation, 3D models, and even laser scans and PNIDs. Connect Visualization Services even includes an embedded industrial AI assistant. I'll ask it, how does Wind Turbine 1's performance today compare to yesterday? And powered by generative AI, it returns a natural language summary with embedded charts. This assistant uses context-aware NLP and embedded analytics to let users quickly find and summarize critical information. Dashboards can also include embedded alerts and incidents, trends, and map widgets, and more, showing one unified presentation of data that can span multiple sites and many different underlying makes and models of data sources. Whether you're in operations, engineering, or executive leadership, Visualization Services delivers real-time, contextual intelligence. Now let's look under the hood at Connect Data Services, the backbone of the Connect Industrial Cloud Platform. This is where raw industrial data is ingested, contextualized, and made usable across the enterprise. Here within the data collection pages, we're showing our many installations of Pi agents, Aviva adapters, and edge data stores. And in addition to native integration with Aviva Pi System, Aviva Historian, System Platform, and Aviva Manufacturing Execution System, Data Services also comes bundled with a set of software adapters that support protocol-agnostic ingestion, OPC UA, MQTT, Modbus, and more, which can even be managed centrally from the cloud via Docker containers that are remotely configured, updated, and maintained via Aviva Edge Management. Bridging the gap between on-premises and the cloud is seamless and secure, requiring zero custom coding or development. And with Connect, setup can be done at scale in mere hours rather than days and weeks, leveraging Aviva's decades of experience with writing plug-and-play industrial data collection infrastructure. And here you can see exactly that kind of raw time series data, in this case coming from an accelerometer monitoring one of our key physical assets, captured at full fidelity into the cloud with no aggregation or downsampling. With Connect Data Services, users accessing data via the cloud see the exact same data values and timestamps as users viewing the original data, streamed in real time from their sites and plants to the cloud. And thanks to the scalable cloud infrastructure, they can now safely issue queries that span everything from sub-second time ranges to, as seen here, multiple decades with just a few clicks. But Connect Data Services includes more than just a store for sequential data. It also comprises stores for associated events, which can be explored via GraphQL queries that allow exploring events data and associated reference data, putting your streaming data into a business context that characterizes raw information as real-world transactions, such as manufacturing events, batches, shifts, startups, shutdowns, and more. And Data Service also comprises a store for asset metadata as well, which can be synchronized with the cloud from on-premises Aviva software installations. Our transfer agents can indeed bring along both real-time streaming data and this vitally important asset context, groupings, labels, and path and parent-child information that assists with scaling out displays and analytics using common asset templates. And moreover, Connect can also, on its own, automatically apply standardization rules, name conventions, units, and metadata so that assets are consistent across sites and systems. Furthermore, security is paramount. Connect uses fine-grained access control, role-based permissions, and federated single sign-on with existing identity providers to ensure compliance and traceability. You can define who sees what, down to the individual data stream and asset level. And with this security foundation in place, we make it easy to then use this unified data in the application or destination of your choosing. No-code data views allow you to create analytics-ready datasets spanning massive time ranges of raw data and summary calculations that can be natively accessed in Microsoft Power BI for business intelligence investigations, thanks to our native Power BI connector, and securely within Databricks via secure cloud-based Delta sharing for AI exploration and integration with IT and financial datasets. But in addition to speed, security, scalability, and efficiency, we've prioritized flexibility with our cloud platform. And thus we've built a modern, developer and third-party friendly REST API and broker-based data endpoints for accessing this data from within third-party workflows and ML pipelines. And we've built Python and .NET libraries and ready-to-use starter projects to empower your developers. And we even provide an open message format specification for easily integrating with new custom data sources of your own and writing the outputs of your own new data sources or calculations or models right back into the data services cloud. And recognizing the ever-growing interconnectedness of the industrial landscape and the need for secure, real-time, bi-directional data sharing between organizations, we've included the ability to make data sharing communities from within Connect Data Services, where with just a few clicks, organizations can join together and begin sharing specific data items back and forth for reporting, value-added analytics, regulatory compliance, and more. And data, including shared data, along with the results of calculations and analytics, can be synchronized back down from the cloud into on-premises Aviva Pi systems as well, creating a full end-to-end data pathway and bringing the benefits and insights within the cloud back down to on-premises users. Now let's introduce the complement to Connect Data Services and Visualization Services, Aviva Advanced Analytics. Here, this service transforms raw data into predictive and prescriptive insights using a no-code modeling environment. Here's a process optimization model in action. It uses historical and live data to provide estimated product quality, detect anomalies in real time, and offer tools for historical investigation to uncover key drivers behind lost revenue. Each model within Advanced Analytics is built using no-code point-and-click configuration, leveraging Aviva's library of templates from energy efficiency to asset reliability, along with built-in streamline tools for performing data cleansing and feature engineering to prepare raw on-site data for machine learning analysis. With only a few clicks, a user can specify which data to include within a model, specify historical time ranges to use for training, and run an auto-evaluate to detect outliers, missing data, and other data quality concerns. And after being walked through corrective steps, users can train models with just the push of a button, after which they can inspect the model outputs and finally deploy a model into production, where it will begin automatic predictions and anomaly scoring, but also generate automatically pre-tailored visualizations for your given model type and use case, taking the numerical findings of the model and presenting them in a way that can be used for actionable business transformation. And all of this in mere minutes, requiring zero custom coding or scripting. Let's look at an example asset reliability model, where we're looking to generate estimates of the probability of an upcoming failure. It uses kernel density estimation to identify abnormal patterns, and in this case, trains both a neural net and a random forest machine learning model for you, and automatically selects the model with the higher predictive power. Users can even add in their own models as well by adding their own Python code, and the entire model configuration and data preparation steps can be saved as a class and rolled out easily across a fleet of equipment. We recognize that repeatability and scalability is key for industrial users, and that's why we've supported templatization across the entire platform, ranging from displays to asset contextualization to these ML models. Whether it's analyzing events and performing root cause analysis, or in this example, performing energy optimization to drive down utilities costs, Aviva Advanced Analytics helps reduce unplanned events, optimize production and processes, and improve quality, delivering measurable ROI across all industries. And for sites who are still progressing along their path towards digital maturity, but who still want to apply the benefits of these cloud ML models, we include the ability to calculate KPIs and summary equations and formulas right here within the cloud platform, allowing sites to get started with incredibly streamlined, low-footprint installations where raw data is streamed directly up to the cloud, and where advanced analytics threads perform the needed aggregations and calculations on top of that data for use in modeling or for visualizing in Connect visualization services displays. And finally, everything that you've seen can actually be delivered automatically to engineers, operators, and analysts via a native cloud alerting and event tracking engine with built-in case management and collaboration notebooks for live troubleshooting. What you've seen today is the power of the Connect Industrial Cloud Platform from Aviva, a unified solution delivering visualization services, rich tools that enable users in your organization to create visualizations for multiple use cases and role-based needs, allowing them to visualize processes and other information through your organization's operations context. And data services, providing scalable, secure, industrial data management that makes it easy to aggregate, contextualize, and securely share real-time data within or outside your company's network. And advanced analytics for maximizing the value of your operations data by generating real-time predictive and prescriptive insights to model complex relationships, predict outcomes, and mitigate risks to increase asset reliability and maximize performance. And all of this is informed and guided by our over 4 decades of serving critical industries across the world, resulting in solutions fit for both small sites and single plants to massive multinational enterprise deployments. Administration is fantastically simple with Connect. Administrators have no tedious IT tasks, no microservices to wrangle, or RAM, cloud compute, or network to manage. Instead, we are delivering a modern end-to-end platform that you can manage and spin up with just a few clicks, with a world-class cloud infrastructure foundation fully maintained by Aviva. And all of this supplemented by our robust network of trusted partners, providing their own apps and services based on Connect that can take your business to the next level. Altogether, Connect empowers industrial users with an open, vendor-neutral, and cloud-based platform that delivers the essential set of shared software services to achieve fast, reliable integration of industrial data, models, applications, and AI and analytics. With Connect, we are offering a foundation for developing industrial intelligence and the flexibility to overcome information silos, enable collaboration, facilitate decision-making, and reduce the cost of doing business. That is the power of the Connect Industrial Cloud Platform from Aviva.